What is the difference in Permatex gel and Permatex liquid? I conducted an experiment to find out. The zinc-plated nuts and bolts were cleaned with grease and wax remover and then 70% isopropyl alcohol. They were then sprayed with Permatex surface prep and dried for 15 minutes. The liquid tubes were shaken and 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red were applied. Then blue gel was applied to 5 threads, and the same with the red gel. 3 samples of each were assembled. All the assemblies were cured for 24 hours. Then the breakaway torques were tested. Permatex blue liquid, sample 1 was 6.02 foot-pounds. Sample 2 was 5.04, and sample 3, 4.67. Permatex red liquid, sample 1 was 11.77 foot-pounds. Sample 2 was 8.51, and sample 3, 5.83. Permatex blue gel, sample 1 was 3.63 foot-pounds. Sample 2 was 4.70, and sample 3, 2.22. Permatex red gel, sample 1 was 2.35 foot-pounds. Sample 2 was 9.23, and sample 3, 8.20. Results may vary in different applications. In my basic test, there is some inconsistencies, so I discounted the lowest measurement from each group. The averages of the top 2 samples of each group showed that the blue gel average was 30% lower than the liquid average, and the red gel average was 14% lower than the liquid average. You decide, but to me, the liquid versions are easier to use and stronger than the gels.